What is personification? Personification is when an object or animal has the characteristics of a person. Personification gives human qualities to things that aren't human at all. When writing, you may describe an object doing something a person would do. For example, a tree may dance in the breeze. A tree doesn't really dance, but with personification, it could. Dinner might be calling your name. Dinner doesn't really talk, but with personification, it could. Did you know there are even personification poems? That is when an ordinary object talks about what it is like to be that object. Personification poems are often funny, and they are always a lot of fun to read. Use personification in your writing to help the objects come alive. Personification, giving human qualities to things that aren't human at all. Personification. Use it today.